So very warm welcome to class 10 children. It's the first period on Friday and we have started with it. We were solving the question paper, a sample question paper of one of the school which was been conducted in half yearly, but the same pattern is going to be followed for finals and for the pre-boards. So we were solving the same and we need to move ahead now. Today is Friday. I hope so I would be able to complete the grammar portion today in the class. I expect that there will be no such kind of nuisance and whatever happened yesterday also, I won't be repeating all those things. Children, you have grown up a lot and I don't like to say again and again and scold you all again and again that why these things are happening in our class only because I am being blamed again and again that ma'am, your class is doing like that. So if you all feel like ma'am, it should not happen, then please stop it. Okay, so let's move and start our class. Children, again I'm saying Pratham, Priyam, Punya, Purab. Those who are going to switch, keep their cameras off, they will be marked as absent children. Please. Those who are sitting in PC and whatever it is, whatever may be the reason, please write in the class WhatsApp group, ma'am, I'm in PC, ma'am, that's because now they will take care of. I can't help. So we were here, we were solving the question paper, children, and we were in the extract, and I will now move to the grammar portion. This question paper I have forwarded in the class WhatsApp online group, and I expect that you all are going to solve it. I expect. We were solving this and read the extract. There's the next one. So now this is the grammar. Question number 5, children. Darshan, Riyanshi, I am again and again saying beta. Those who are going to be absent will be marked as absent. Those who are not going to switch on their cameras. So question number 5, children. Let's start solving. Your answer will be in the chat box and I will be asking those students I want their answers. Okay. So Priyam, are you there? Unmute yourself, Priyam. Priyam, unmute yourself. Are you not able to unmute yourself, Priyam? Okay, there might be some reason. Shreyansh.
Ma'am, I?
Yes. Solve the first one.
Ma'am, high school is a critical time in the life.
In the life of young people.
Yes, ma'am, in the life of young people.
Okay. Yogya Golcha.
Yes, ma'am.
With a second one. On dash one hand, teenagers are eager to enjoy their freedom. Teenagers are eager to enjoy their freedom. Yogya, I want the answer from you. Other students can note it down in their copy. On dash one hand, teenagers are eager to enjoy their freedom. Yogya, fast. Options are given below. Punya, I want your face. Don't keep that pic. Are you not able to answer me, Yogya? Punya Baradia.
Yes, option D off.
Option B.
No, ma'am. I
On
think
D, D,
option
D.
second,
Off.
the.
Wait, let him answer. Punya, are you able to read out the second line? On dash one hand, teenagers are eager to enjoy their freedom.
Oh, the. Option B, the.
Option B, the. On the one hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, keep your answer with you. Let us check. Then, next question to Palak. Palak.
Yes, ma'am.
C. Enjoy their freedom dash independence. C. Answer number C, I want. Palak.
Ma'am,
Bolo.
ma'am, the independent.
Okay, on the independence. That means on the one hand, teenagers are eager to enjoy their freedom. The independence. Fine, keep your answer. Is it correct?
No, ma'am. And
On the one hand, teenagers are eager to enjoy their freedom and independence. See, think out twice. Fine, let's move for the next answer, then I will discuss. While on the other hand, they must be disciplined enough to keep yes, children, enough to keep the
Ma'am, there.
Achha.
Ma'am, fourth option.
Ma'am, option A.
No,
Option
ma'am.
Option D.
Option 4, not option
Option
first.
D.
option D.
Option
Yes,
D is
option D.
plural.
Ma'am, there.
Ma'am, option first.
THEIR there.
T-H-E-I-R.
EIR.
T-H-E-I-R.
Okay.
EIR.
Plural one, ma'am.
Okay. Fine.
EIR, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me see. Akshat Malu.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Fifth answer, E. In my opinion, the family, the peer group, and the school impact high school students, the dash of the vulnerable time.
The most.
The most.
Yes, ma'am.
The peer group and the school impact high school students the most at this vulnerable time.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Best.
School students the best of at this vulnerable time. Best hoga beta.
Ma'am, option number 4, maximum.
No.
Maximum.
Let me see. In my opinion, the family, the peer group, and the school impact
No, ma'am, best.
students. The maximum at this, no, the best at this
Ma'am,
vulnerable.
it is superlative degree will come, I think.
Ma'am, it would be most.
Ma'am, it would be most.
How, beta? Tell me how.
Best will come.
Try to understand the meaning of the line. Second, also, the answer is wrong. Just think about, okay. From last line, let's start. In my opinion. आप अपने ऊपर लीजिए सेंटेंस को. आप अपने ऊपर लीजिए सेंटेंस.
Highest.
Wait. In my opinion, the family, the peer group, and the school. Right? So slow. This is three situations. My opinion, the family, the peer group, the school impact, high school students, the
best.
best at this vulnerable time. वो अब इस समय के दौरान भी अपना बेस्ट देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am. Best.
Got it? Why best? हर चीज के पीछे एक रीजन होता है. There is a reason behind it. We have to see that reason. Second answer is also
Ma'am, not understood.
देखो, for example, I have given in this corona period, who all are working out for you all?
Doctors, police
Your
officers,
doctors, government, society, obviously society, your family, your school, all are trying to give their best. है ना? Give their best in this vulnerable time. बात समझ में आ रही है? Now you got Viram.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a situation, vulnerable condition hai. In this vulnerable condition, they are trying to give their best. Okay? Getting me? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now who will read out the whole paragraph with the correct answers? Who will do that?
Can I?
Yes, start reading. Raj.
Sorry, ma'am.
High school is a critical time in the life of young people. On the one hand, teenagers are eager to enjoy their freedom of independence, while on the other hand, they must be disciplined
Just a
enough.
second. एक second बेटा. On the one hand, teenagers are eager to enjoy their freedom
And independence.
And will come.
फिर से सोचो. गलत हो तुम.
Of independence.
On the one hand, try to understand the meaning. On the one hand, teenagers are eager to enjoy. Just keep yourself.
Freedom.
Enjoy their freedom of independence. Of independence.
Yes, ma'am, of independence.
That only I think.
Honey, I'm not saying you wrong.
Of independence, ma'am.
Ma'am, but freedom of independence कभी नहीं सुने.
कभी नहीं सुने, बिल्कुल. Freedom of right सुने.
Yes,
Freedom
ma'am.
and independence.
Yes.
Freedom and independence.
Ma'am, it would be freedom and independence.
Yes, ma'am. सुने freedom and independence.
So what is freedom and what is independence?
Freedom and independence तो एक ही चीज है.
हाँ.
हाँ, ma'am.
Try to
इसमें
get the meaning. Confusion है. Don't get confused. Freedom of right, freedom to speak, freedom to walk, freedom to think. Right? So freedom
Yes,
of
ma'am.
independence. फ्रीडम चाहिए किस चीज का? इंडिपेंडेंट होने का।
तो मैम एंड ही आएगा वहां पे।
फिर से
ऑफ आएगा भाई।
मैम एंड आएगा, ऑफ नहीं आ सकता मैम।
फ्रीडम और इंडिपेंडेंस का
अरे
मीनिंग
मीनिंग
सेम है
सेम
तो
है भाई,
मैम ऑफ
एंड
तो नहीं
क्यों
आएगा।
आएगा?
try to get my point. Freedom and independence can't come. Right? बात समझ में आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
While who was reading out? Please continue.
Harshit.
I was.
Harshit, read it.
Freedom of independence, while on the other hand, they must be disciplined enough to keep their
Yes.
priorities. First option.
Correct.
Priorities.
Keep
In
their
my opinion, the family, the peer group, and the school impact high school students the best at this vulnerable time.
Perfect. Now you all got it?
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am,
Is it clear now? See,
yes
children,
ma'am,
in class 10, whenever you will see the grammar portion, there will be some confusion always. So you have to use not only the exact rules of grammar, but you have to think it in the inner meaning of the meaning of that particular sentence. You have to go deep into it. Think twice, thrice. Try to put those words in that place and then repeat the sentence again and again. If you get it out, then you can understand the meaning and give the correct answer. They will try to confuse you all. Okay? Getting me? There may be some
yes
kind
ma'am.
of situations they will make you confused. Okay? So let's move for the next question. Children, I am again saying I have already forwarded this question paper. I expect that you all are going to solve this question paper. In the online class group, I have already forwarded. Complete
Ma'am, discussed. Discussed
Option
way
3.
of harvesting.
Discussed.
Let's read out. Akshat Kochar. Akshat Kochar.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the first line.
In classes, we
Read.
in classes we decide in classes we discuss ways of harvesting rainwater, making use of many drops. A young boy told us that when he washed his face in the morning, he must throw away the water. He collected it in the bowl for the birds. His mother kept it for making for brooming the floor.
Ma'am,
I
something
want
he has said wrong.
what? Wait.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait. Just a second. I will give
G1 will
everybody, children, have some patience. Khushi, I don't want all these pics, huh? Camera should be on. I want you all to write this in your copy. I will give you 2 minutes. I will give you 2 minutes. Please, I request you all to write this question in the copy because this is very, very important question and this is really confusing. Don't write the options. Just write the paragraph and the blank. And whichever you feel correct, please fill it with pencil. Please fill it with pencil. because this paragraph is really confusing. It's not so easy. Whenever you're going to answer me, you have to give me the reason also. So I'm giving you 2 minutes. Have patience, cool down and start writing. Then if I have time, I will discuss 2 question answers also. Let me see if I get time. No, I think so. Only 10 minutes are left. Again, only 2 questions. My goodness. It takes a lot of time. Please do write the answers with pencils. Karan, keep your own picture or else you will be marked as absent. Kushal, your own picture is needed. Divyansh, Palak, Deshna, Sonal, Molly, Sanidhya, Shreyansh, Arpit, Purab, Viram, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your videos on. Why I have to say it again and again? Subrat, your own picture is needed. Vardhaman, Rishi,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, holding phone in one hand and then studying is not possible. It's very difficult. If you're telling to switch on our videos, we have to hold phone in one hand. And if we hold pen in other hand, where will we hold notebook? And if we even keep our phone on the desk, so the phone is a little the distance is more to like zoom in and see what you are teaching. It's very difficult, ma'am. Because if it's a webcam on PC or laptop, then then it can be done. But if you're using a mobile, then it's difficult.
Okay. So whatever problem you are facing, then please write it down in the class WhatsApp group only, so that ma'am can see and understand your problem. Okay. Vardhaman,
Yes, ma'am.
thank you so much. I hope so. All have written, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Deshna, Deshna,
Yes, ma'am.
can you just now read out the whole paragraph with the correct answers?
In classes,
Yes, Krishna, I'm waiting. I gave you time to write the answers. Maitri. 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 Very good. Millie. 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 What happened to you all? Why I am not getting any answer from anyone? Tanushri? Tanushri? When it has been asked to switch on your cameras, don't you all understand? Giving n number of reasons. What's the issue, children? Every time some or the other problem. Maitri is saying I am not able to unmute myself. May I? Okay, wait. Fine. Nandika, are you there?
Ma'am, may I try?
Viram, just a second, beta. Just a second, huh? I will discuss with you also. Nandika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
In classes, we discussed ways of in classes, we discussed ways of harvesting rainwater and making use of every drop. A young boy told us that when he washed his face in the morning, he couldn't throw away the water. He collected it in a bowl for the birds. His mother then used this water for mopping the floor.
Perfect answer. Children got it? All the students are
Ma'am,
saying. Yes, beta.
each drop will come, I think.
Ma'am, he didn't आएगा.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am,
The
he didn't
second
आएगा.
option that means
Each drop आएगा.
each drop will
Every
come.
drop कैसे हो सकता?
एक second.
Yes,
देर में
ma'am.
every drop होगा
Every drop
not
कैसे हो
every
सकता?
May
every
I?
नहीं होगा each होगा
Each होगा मैम.
every होगा
Every होगा.
Ma'am, it will be every
His
because
mother
each.
collected it for होगा.
every drop
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Drop
each
collected
and every.
from
We don't say each only. We say each and every.
Yes, ma'am.
लड़ लो तुम लोग. May I speak? With your permission? Shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for giving me the permission. Fine. Children, it is हर एक बूंद बोलते हैं ना? Do we say many? Can we count the water? Can we count water?
No,
no
ma'am.
ma'am
All नहीं आ सकता, many नहीं आ सकता, each and every हम बोलते हैं. So use of each and every drop, do we say like that? But each
No,
drop,
ma'am.
listen na, let us clear our means confusion. Why don't you understand? I gave you time for this only. I am not going with any particular person statement. I want that you all should clear your own doubt. Okay, just put all the words one by one and see. Ways of harvesting rainwater and making use of all, no. Each drop, yeah, every drop.
Every drop.
Each drop.
Every
Each.
drop.
Every drop.
Every.
हर एक बूंद का यूज करना.
Ma'am, each.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, each
Every.
a
Every.
particular drop.
Each will become like, listen to the meaning of the word. First, listen to the meaning of the word. Okay? Please, children. Each means there are particular kind of drop. You are trying to specify the thing. Each drop. Okay? Every drop means हर एक बूंद. All.
वही मैम, हर एक बूंद का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, हर एक.
Yes.
एवरी सही है.
Every is the correct answer. We should always clear our own doubt. Oh. Beta, time is over, na?
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
third का क्या होगा? Option C.
जितनी
मैम,
drop
लेकिन
है
सही
उसको
है.
यूज करना.
मैम, पता ही नहीं
C
चला
का
कब
क्या
पढ़
होगा?
लिया.
मैम ऑप्शन सी का तो डेंट होना चाहिए.
वो हाँ मैम,
Yes,
डेंट
ma'am,
होना चाहिए
didn't
पक्का.
होना चाहिए.
Couldn't.
Beta,
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
कुछ
Option
मतलब
third.
डेंट
नॉट
ही
डेंट.
होगा वहाँ.
मैम, मस्ट नॉट होना चाहिए.
Didn't होना चाहिए, ma'am.
यस
Yes,
मैम,
ma'am.
डेंट. ऑप्शन सी.
Student होना चाहिए.
Option C.
Option 3.
ऑप्शन ए.
Option C.
Option
A.
3.
False.
C.
ए.
C.
I am feeling like you all are fighting in the class.
वर्चुअल फाइटिंग.
Stop. Badmash. Okay. The time is over. I have not seen
मैम
and
वो बता दो ना, आखिरी C बस बता दो, फिर एंड कर दो.
हाँ मैम, थर्ड C का बता दो बस आप.
मैम, डिंट होएगा.
हाँ मैम,
Yes,
डेंट
ma'am,
होगा.
didn't होगा.
मैम, डिंट
मैम,
होगा.
couldn't
अरिहंत
कैसे
मैम अभी
होगा?
फर्स्ट बोल रहा
मैम,
था.
didn't
Dent
होगा.
होगा मैम.
अरिहंत
पलटू है मैम, अरिहंत कितना.
सच्ची में मैम, पलटू एक नंबर का.
Darshan.
मैम आप couldn't बोलोगे फिर वो didn't में आ जाए.
वही तो.
Oh, I need to talk to you all now. You all are continuously speaking. So let me answer then. If you want to know it from me, or else leave it.
No, ma'am, you
No,
please tell.
me with the C1.
मैम, अरियन ग्रुप में ये पूरा फॉरवर्ड कर दिया है.
Yes, ma'am. पूरे आंसर्स फॉरवर्ड कर रहा है रियांत.
टॉपर है.
मैम, से ढूंढ के बोल रहा है मैम.
Wait. A young boy told us that when he washed his face in the morning, he
Did not.
Didn't.
Didn't.
डिंट.
यस मैम, डेंट.
throw away
Option
the
3.
water.
Didn't.
Didn't.
हमारी
Ma'am,
आंसर
he is telling, ma'am.
It's
He is telling, that's why it will come dent.
No, beta, he is telling ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I work on the word which is correct. I'm not supporting anyone over here. This is a question paper and which we all are discussing in the class. Right? And what I am doing is I'm clearing your doubt and making you all more and more clear.
मैम ऐसे didn't क्यों आया?
Am I right? Rakshita, am I
मैम
right?
वहाँ पे डेंट ही आएगा ना.
वही तो मैम, डेंट आएगा ना.
Didn't.
मैम आंसर
मैम
क्या है?
क्यों आया लेकिन?
मैम आप तो बोले थे अभी couldn't सही है.
वही तो मैम.
मैम didn't क्यों आया?
Will you
Yes
let
मैम, reason.
तू ही तो बोल रहा था didn't.
Children, I need to discuss this in my next class because I am having one more class now and continuously back to back 4 classes. Please, I have to leave now. Solve it.
Thank you, ma'am.
We will solve it.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Enjoy.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye,
Goodbye,
ma'am.
ma'am. See you
Stay
soon,
Bye,
safe.
ma'am.
ma'am. Take care, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Now
ma'am.
what did you tell again?
I will talk.
Bye, ma'am. Take care, ma'am.